Hello and welcome to
cooking
Kyoto.
class.
We are in Kyoto and today we're doing a cooking class.
Woo woo!
Now, what do you think we're gonna make?
Shall we go? Luca already went.
Mom.
So it's a restaurant. We booked it on Klook because we couldn't seem to find cooking classes available for the dates we were here. And on Klook we did. That's how we found this place, which looks really pretty.
I mean, she also said yes.
Luca, what are we doing today?
Sushi.
So this is an architectural feature of the traditional house in Japan. They have a double window with a little corridor in between. And it's called Yukimi Mado. And they use it because you can actually sit down outside in between the two. During the spring, you enjoy the cherry blossom. During the winter season, you are admiring the snowscapes. So you actually open, sit down here, and enjoy the landscape. See, this is on the other side. You can, and they have chair too. You can actually go outside here, sit down, and enjoy the landscape. Every house, the traditional one, they have a little garden in both sides where they have a lot of like plants and flower and a little water feature. We came here because today we're gonna do a cooking class.
So you guys didn't understand that.
Before starting the experience, as usual, because you're cooking, you have to wash your hands.
How many?
You're like, you
Oh wow! This is a traditional tool to grind the tea leaves. It's called Ishiusu.
You're grinding, Luca?
Yes.
These are ingredients for our cooking class today.
Hey, mommy.
Have you ever made sushi?
No.
We eat the sushi, yes.
Sushi is traditional Japanese dish. It's vinegared rice topped with fish, meat, or vegetable. The sushi rice is normally seasoned with rice and vinegar and salt, sugar. This name is shari. This is ginger pickles. This name is gari. Shari. Gari. Japanese, everyone says gari.
Got
Shari. And tasting shari. Please.
So take a piece for me.
Taste a little bit. You just taste it.
Oishi? Oishi? Very good. Very good.
Oh, try it. It's rice, Luca.
It's good. Nigiri sushi is a dish of oval-shaped balls of vinegar rice topped with raw food. The nigiri sushi is hand squeeze sushi. Very, very easy type. This is water and vinegar. The oval-shaped shari. Please on the left hand.
Like this?
Yes,
On left
yes.
hand.
Oh, there. Like this.
Mine's better than
Very
yours.
good. Squeeze. Please on the left hand like this.
Oh, I put it on top. You have smaller hands, but
Make it
Then next, please pick up wasabi little bit. On the screen.
on the squid.
Trust me.
Do you want
No,
some?
no, no.
Hi.
Wait, what? What did she do? What? What happened?
You just pulled your hand. Wow, it's that easy.
Okay, very easy type.
Push.
How about this?
Like this?
Squeeze.
Push it on with one finger.
Squeeze. squeeze.
Squeeze and
Okay, no problem. Side, push, top, side, top. Beautiful.
on the side, Luca.
So, next,
There.
very important. These two finger, top and down and the push. Please make a curve.
Like this?
Very good. Oh, beautiful.
Okay. In your mouth. She said to put a diagonal on the dish because it's easier to get with the chopsticks, right?
Okay.
So next time you're gonna see us, guys. We're gonna make sushi for everybody.
Next is kokai.
This one.
Open. That's very good. Very good. Very good. This side push, top.
Nice, look.
This one you don't push on top because otherwise
This
it
is
breaks.
sweet soy sauce. Kongai sauce. Sweet soy sauce and black sesame oil, please decoration.
Nice.
Now, do I
Wait.
spread it or not?
Yeah, spread it a little bit and then you get these little round
On
Mommy,
the
show. Every time
please make
you
the
change
oval
and you do a
shape.
new one, you have to spread the
The vinegar.
cloves with the vinegar and water.
Different type squeeze. Right hand shari, left hand, please pick up shrimp like this. Right hand, please pick up wasabi then on the shrimp. Shari on the shrimp. Then two finger push, squeeze, side push,
Squeeze and push.
top, side push, top, like this. Jump. Okay.
jump.
Okay, jump. Okay.
Pushing and jump.
So, then finish.
Finished. Okay.
Yes. Squeeze. Then top and down. Please make a curve and push.
A little bit more on the side there.
Okay.
Is this good?
Yeah, it's good. Look.
Good job, Luca. Put it there.
Okay. Please on the cutting board. Egg. On the sherry. Please say tamago. Dried seaweed.
Yes.
Put the dried seaweed on the egg. Down.
Oh, look at that. The belt.
On the very good.
Perfect.
Type
Like
of
it?
sushi is Temari sushi. Te is hand. Mari is Japanese traditional bowl. Temari sushi is bowl-shaped sushi. Do you know Maiko-san? Japanese geisha sushi made in bite-sized pieces so that geisha's lipstick does not stick to the sushi. Yeah. Okay, the small size sushi. If we want more rice, please make a big size. Okay?
Okay, I put this.
Okay. Then next, wasabi will be on the smoked salmon.
What's up? Just a little bit.
No.
On the salad.
This rice is so good.
Make a bowl-shaped shari.
Oh, we're making balls now.
I'll just do this.
Yes, just do that like this.
Look, this is perfect.
It's a meatball. Good job, Luca.
Very good. The next salad wrapped corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take all the four. Next, twist. Twist. Very good.
Oh.
We're learning the tricks.
And now you don't eat with the plastic, you eat it with the plastic on top of it. Very good for your health. I have to open it, never mind.
Oh, now we have to open it again. So open it.
Careful, don't drop it.
Ah, mine's so squishy.
Look, it worked.
Mine worked better than yours.
Now you put the lemon.
Wow, your dad is so grateful for his lunch.
Yeah.
Gunkan Maki is a type of sushi that has a strip of dried seaweed wrapped around the rice ball with topping. The Gunkan Maki was so named because it looks like a warship.
Egg shape.
Squeeze, no problem.
Not round, it has to be oval.
We have to get the rice dress because it's naked now.
Yeah, it's naked rice. And then you get the seaweed.
Okay. Around. Little bit shady.
That's the glue.
Yeah,
Grow.
You like that? Now you call it
Cucumber. Cucumber.
Where do you put it?
On the warship.
On the
Preparing it for
Very good, very good.
Okay.
Why is mine smaller?
Good job.
Warship.
Oh, Luca.
Now we put this.
Finish everyone.
So now I will be hired as the master.
Sushi maker. Are you eating it or are you putting it on?
Both. We don't.
Inari sushi. Do you know Inari cuisine, Inari shrimp? Fried top. Japanese, everyone say Inari sushi. Not
sushi.
fried top sushi.
So the fox eats the toad.
Yeah. Please make a pocket fried top. Make a pocket and on the tray. Water and vinegar.
Inari sushi is because of, it's for the fox.
Because the fox eat the
Yeah.
tofu.
And the Inari shrines are the ones dedicated to the fox.
Okay, now I can
Yes.
stuff it in the pocket.
That's why they call it Inari sushi.
Back.
Look, you close it.
Oh, just like that.
Is this
One, two.
Excuse me.
You do first one side and then the other.
One,
See? There.
two. Okay.
For me, it's like a big ball.
Mamma, ma quanto riso hai messo?
I turn it anyway.
Yes.
Okay.
And then I put.
Like a fox.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a fox.
Shape like a fox.
I love it.
This is fried tofu.
Break.
Okay. Last one. Maki sushi is sushi made by wrapping vinegar rice and ingredients with dried seaweed. The sushi with cucumber roll is called kappa roll. Yeah, because he is very famous Japanese monster. His name is Kappa. Kappa. Yeah. Kappa roll. Kappa's favorite food is cucumber. Japanese, everyone says kappa roll. So no cucumber roll. No.
Did it.
Good job.
Good job, Luca.
Yeah, you got it, Luca.
Stack break.
Water and vinegar and big size cherry like this.
Big size.
Yes.
Oh, like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Put it on. You have to put it there.
So good.
You know what we're gonna do last? We're gonna roll this up and then flip it over.
Next, look at this bamboo chip up. Okay. The cucumber push. The up, down. Hold the cucumber down. Soft push. Right hand bamboo chip up. Left hand the push and rolling. Push and rolling. Rolling, finish.
Luca, with one hand you rolled, with the other one.
The next is cut. Share, please.
Wasn't that hard? So then he said, I think we're gonna make it only.
Please make a 4 piece, okay? And a half cut. Oh, nice. Okay.
Are you done with it?
Almost.
Oh, so first you cut it in half.
Keep going, don't pull it, keep going.
Careful your
I think you should cut it on the cutting board and not on the.
Excuse me.
There you go.
There you go. Did you do it?
Now I gotta.
Did you have to get it wet again?
You have to get it wet
Yeah, you have to
again.
get it wet again.
Yeah, otherwise it gets sticky.
Please on the dish. very good. And this dish, green radish as well. Okay. Please decorate as you like. This dish, radish and
But we just decorate on the dish.
Emma, 4 pieces.
So guys, we're doing a cover
wait, Luca,
photo
one
right
more.
now, which you'll see in the thumbnail.
Come, Luca.
Did you see they rent the thing too?
Whoa.
Careful, Luca, when you get down. They even rent the dress.
It's so much better because I made it.
It's fun to actually know the logic behind how we make it. So that's really cool.
Mommy, did you see my touch? Did you see my touch with the little rice ball?
I love it.
It's a little baby.
Here, it's fine, Luca.
Okay.
Go sit down there. Because there is the air. Go sit down there.
No,
How is it?
It's so good.
I'm just sure.
I made it.